In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lock your mouse on Roblox. Method 1 is locking mouse for players using Roblox Studios. If you're a game developer using Roblox Studios, you can implement mouse locks for players within your game. Here's how you're going to want to do it. First, launch Roblox Studios, then create or edit a game. Open your game project in Roblox Studios or create a new one by clicking Create New. Then add a script to lock the mouse. In the Explorer panel, tap on the right click on Starter Player, and then choose Insert Object. Select Starter Player Scripts, then right click on Starter Player Scripts, then click Insert Object, then select Local Script. Then write the script. In the local script, copy and paste the following code. You're just going to want to copy this right here. This script will automatically lock the mouse when the player starts the game, hiding the cursor and locking it in place at the center of the screen. Then you just want to test your game, so click play to test the script. Your mouse should now be locked within Roblox windows. Then you can also lock mouse for players, which is an in-game settings. First, open the game, press the right mouse button. While playing, simply press and hold the right mouse button to lock your mouse. This will center the cursor in the middle of the screen. To release the mouse lock, simply release the right mouse button. To lock the mouse in Roblox Studio using camera control, you're going to want to open up Roblox Studios, insert a script by right-clicking on Starter Player, then insert Starter Player Scripts, then insert Local Script in the Starter Player Scripts folder. Then add the mouse lock script. Then you're going to want to copy and paste this right here. Then you just want to test the game. Here's some tips to ensure that it works properly. And note that this tutorial uses only Roblox Studio tools and methods that comply to Roblox Terms of Service and YouTube's community guidelines. Do not use third-party programs or modifications to lock your mouse, as these can violate Roblox's terms and potentially lead to account bans. Subscribe.